English words that makes me crazy. The first one. Recruiter. Recruiter. R. The next one. It's a name. Sean. Where's the shoe and oh? Where? I can see seen, but not Sean. This is Sean. And this is also Sean. The next one. All my life I've been saying the iron, but it's pronounced like iron. Iron. And the last one. Youth. Youth. What's happening with my tongue? Youth. That's all for today.